Subscribe Seed Web Tech. Press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to Seed Web Tech. Today in this video, I will unboxing the Lotto Splash running shoes for a man. It's original Italian Lotto brand shoes, which I got it from Flipkart. So let's unboxing it and open it. If you want a lightweight, good for running, walking and gym training and fits sturdy, then this shoes is perfectly for you. The sizes available for these shoes from 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These shoes I buy, that is blue and black variant. The price of these shoes is around 949 to 999. These shoes looks good and comfortable, and the quality of shoes is nice. It's very lightweight. Talking about the material, the inner material is fabric and the outer material is mesh. It's rubber type of sole and non-slippery. Its model name is Splash and sole material is rubber outsole. Its weight around 150 to 200 gram each shoes. This shoes is washable. You can wash these shoes with the shampoo. These shoes available in 3 to 4 different colors variants. I buy these shoes at the price of 899 rupees. These shoes available in 3 to 4 different colors variants like navy, blue, black, green, red. You can also use this shoe in regular life. So that's it in this video. Please give me your feedback about these shoes. Share your thought with us and share your experience with us. You can buy these shoes online from Flipkart and Amazon. I also give you the link of this product in my description section. You can check out and you can buy this product very easily. If you like this video, then please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel Seed Web Tech. Thank you.